Honorable Governor of Assam, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Honorable Union Minister of State for Home, Senior Ministers of Assam Cabinet, Senior Central and State Government officials, other dignitaries, respected citizens, and my friends. First of all, I extend my hearty welcome to all of you on this historic occasion of laying down of arms by cadre of BLT. Just on the eve of installation of the interim Executive Council of BTC tomorrow, BLT took part to safeguard the interests of Bodo people and to carry on the struggle of Bodo masses while countering other destructive elements. In the process, a number of our leaders and cadres made the supreme sacrifice by laying down their life, and on this occasion I salute all of them. BLT was formed on June 19, 1996 in the backdrop of great digital movement prevailing among the Bodos following the failure of the earlier Bodo Accord of 1993. Though we have adopted the path of armed struggle to achieve our objective, we have been adopting for a solution within the framework of Indian Constitution. With the initiative of central government, informal talks started in 1999 and formal ceasefire was declared on March 15, 2000 on the floor of the parliament. After about 30 rounds of discussion on substantive issues, a memorandum of settlement was signed between the BLT, the state government and the central government on February 10, 2003. The memorandum of settlement aims at fulfilling the economic, political, social and cultural aspirations of the Bodo people. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to both the central government and the state government for their sincerity and genuine concern for finding out a permanent and lasting solution to the Bodo problem. This would have not been possible without the anti-state support from all Bodo Student Union, Bodo Sahitya Sabha, Bodo People's Action Committee, Bodo Women Welfare Federation, all Bodo Employee Federation, Coordination Committee for Bodoland Movement, Bodo MPs and MLAs, and all the people living in Bodoland. The Bodo people now hope that new era of peace and development will be assured in the state-run area of Bodoland. However, threats from different directions loom large outfits like NDP and Alpha continue to indulge in violent activities. I received a call that we will continue to assist in maintaining law and order in the area. I appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam to pay special attention in ensuring security to the people of this vulnerable area, that without peace, no development can take place. Bodo Liberation Tiger stands disbanded from this day, and all cadres of BLT who were prepared to make the supreme sacrifice for the interests of Bodo community will now work for peace, progress and harmony. All of us will now be soldiers for peace and development. I appeal to all the citizens to accept us as one among them and ask for their forgiveness for our past mistakes, if any. Thank you. Agrama Moilari.